Good morning, students. I'm your English teacher. My name is Meenakshi, and now I'm going to start your English class. Before starting our class, let us go through one positive and very inspiring thought. And the thought is, where there is a will, there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way. What does it mean? It means if someone is determined to do something, or if someone is willing to do something and he has make up his mind that he has to do that or she has to do that, doesn't matter if any obstacle comes in his or her way, that doesn't matter. Surely one day he will get his way and he'll get his success. Okay, where there is a will, there is a way means this is a proverb. Okay, हिंदी में इसे कहते हैं जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है. इट मीन्स कि अगर आपने सोच लिया है, अगर आपने मन से ठान लिया है कि आपको ये करना है, तो आपके रास्ते में कोई भी रुकावट आए, कोई भी परेशानी आए, वो आपको इफ़ेक्ट बिल्कुल भी नहीं करेगी. और एक दिन आपको आपका रास्ता, आपका मंजिल ज़रूर मिलेगा एंड श्योरली यू विल गेट द सक्सेस. ओके, सो विद दिस पॉजिटिव थॉट, let us start our today's session. Students, in previous class we have done unit 1, chapter number 2, the tale of a tale. Okay, we have done some of the question answers. We have completed till B7. Now today we'll move forward and today we'll do B8 and B9. Question number B8. Question is, do you think Swami was right in slapping P and Shankar? Had you been in his place, how would you have reacted? Question is, do you think Swami was right in slapping P and Shankar? You must have read the chapter. I have explained the chapter. In the very beginning of the chapter, Swami had slapped Pia and Shankar. Why he had slapped? Because he has seen the word tail written on the blackboard, isn't it? So here the question is, had you been in place, how do you have reacted? स्वामी जो है उसने पिया और शंकर को उसने जो चाटा मारा, क्या वो सही था? Do you think that it is right? It was right? If you had been in his place, how do you have reacted? अगर आप स्वामी की जगह होते, आप किस तरह से react करते? So here some of the options are given. Just go through that option. Number 1, ignore the word till written on the blackboard. ब्लैकबोर्ड पे जो वर्ड लिखा हुआ था टेल, हैव यू इग्नोर्ड दैट? क्या आप उसको इग्नोर कर देते? नंबर 2, लाफ्ड अलोंग टू अवॉइड आर्ग्यूमेंट और फाइट. जैसे कि क्लास में दूसरे बच्चे लाफ कर रहे थे, हंस रहे थे, ओके, जस्ट इन द सेम वे यू लाफ्ड अलोंग विद देम टू अवॉइड आर्ग्यूमेंट्स और फाइट. आप उनके साथ हंसते ताकि आप आर्ग्यूमेंट्स को और फाइट्स को अवॉइड कर सकें. नंबर 3, टॉक्ड टू योर क्लासमेट्स एंड रिजॉल्व द मैटर पीसफुली. क्या अपने क्लासमेट से बात करते और जो भी मैटर था, वॉट एवर द प्रॉब्लम्स यू हैड, डू यू सॉर्ट इट पीसफुली? क्या आप उसको शांति से सॉर्ट आउट करते? नंबर 4 इज़ कंप्लेन टू योर टीचर. क्या आप अपने टीचर को कंप्लेन करते? सो दीज आर द 4 ऑप्शंस that you are given. You will have to choose one and you will have to give reason why you have chosen that very point. Okay, now here comes the answer. Swami was not right in slapping Piya and Shankar. If I had been in his place, I would have talked to my classmates and resolved the matter peacefully, because fighting never solves any problem. Discussion with logic could solve the problem. Fighting is the consequence of anger that is caused by emotional imbalance. So it must be controlled. What does it mean? It means that whatever Swami has done, okay, it was not right. He has slapped P and Shankar, so that was not right. if I had been in place, in question you were asked ना that if you had been in Swami's place what would you have done, अगर आप स्वामी की जगह पे होते आप क्या करते. The answer is if I had been in his place I would have talked to my classmates and resolved the matter peacefully. अगर मैं स्वामी की जगह पे होता तो मैं अपने क्लासमेट से बात करता और जो भी मैटर था, जो भी प्रॉब्लम था, मैं उसे क्लियर करता, मैं उसे रिजॉल्व करता. क्यों? बिकॉज fighting never solves problem. Students, you know that fighting is not a good thing. It always creates problem. It never solves any problem. Okay, fighting is not the solution of every problem. What is the solution? The solution is that we have to talk to others and we have to solve our matter peacefully without any violence. Okay, without any fighting. This should be the solution of any problem. Okay, so that's why I've written fighting never solves any problem. Discussion with logic could solve the problem. Only discussion is the only thing, discussion is the only solution that could solve any problem or that could resolve any matter. Fighting is the consequence of anger that is caused by emotional imbalance, so it must be controlled. Fighting हम लोग कभी करते हैं, हम लोग लड़ाई कब करते हैं? जब हमारे अंदर में गुस्सा भरा होता है. ठीक है, और गुस्सा क्यों आता है? ये इमोशनल इम्बैलेंस है जिसको कि हम लोग बैलेंस नहीं कर पाते हैं. वी गेट एंग्री, वी गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड. ओके, एंड उसको ख़त्म करने के लिए व्हाट वी यूज़ टू डू, वी ऑलवेज यूज़ टू डू फाइटिंग. दैट इज़ वेरी वेरी रॉन्ग. वी शुड नेवर फाइट. वी शुड ऑलवेज sit with our friends. Okay, and we should resolve our matter. So here is the answer. Swami was not right in slapping P and Shankar. If I had been in his place, I would have talked to my classmates and resolved the matter peacefully, because fighting never solves any problem. Discussion with logic could solve the problem. Fighting is the consequence of anger that is caused by emotional imbalance, so it must be controlled. Okay, so this is your answer. Student, be careful while writing the answers. Okay, one most important thing is that while writing your answer you should be very clear about the use of capital and small letters. Okay, after full stop, when any sentence begins, it always begins with capital letter. Okay, just be very careful about punctuation. See, and Shankar, after Shankar this is full stop. So after full stop, if any sentence will begin, it always begins with capital letter. Okay, here also you can see problem. After problem there is a full stop. Okay, so after problem, after full stop, I have started the sentence with the capital letter. Okay, students, don't write capital letter or small letter in between anywhere or everywhere. Okay, now next one, our question number B9. Our question in B9 is, in Indian culture, the teacher or guru is considered next only to God. Do you approve of Somu and Mani's attitude towards their Tamil teachers? How should student behave with their teachers? Question number 9 में है, in Indian culture, हमारे यहाँ जो इंडियन कल्चर है, जो भारतीय सभ्यता है, उस अकॉर्डिंग टीचर्स को भगवान माना जाता है. Okay, teachers is considered next only to God. So do you approve or do you agree what Somu and Mani has done with their teacher? Student, in this chapter, when I explained the chapter, I've told you that when Tamil teacher enters into the class, just after that Somu and Mani, they both ignored the Tamil teacher and they just walked out from the class. His Tamil teacher was saying to stop. The Tamil teacher was asking something, but Somu and Mani had ignored. Okay, and they both moved after the class. They walked over the class. Okay, ठीक है, वो लोग क्लास से बाहर चले गए थे. So do you approve of Somu and Mani's attitude towards their Tamil teacher? आपको लगता है कि सोमू और मनी का जो एटीट्यूड था तमिल टीचर के लिए, क्या वो सही था? Do you approve? क्या आपको वो सही लगता है? हाउ शुड स्टूडेंट्स बिहेव विद देयर टीचर्स? स्टूडेंट्स को अपने टीचर्स के साथ कैसा बिहेव करना चाहिए? द आंसर इज students, so now here is the answer. Somu and Mani's attitude was not appropriate and appreciable towards their Tamil teacher. They disrespected their teacher. सोमू और मनी का जो भी एटीट्यूड था वो अप्रोप्रिएट नहीं था, वो अप्रिशिएबल नहीं था. व्हाट इज़ अप्रोप्रिएट? अप्रोप्रिएट का मतलब वो सही नहीं था. अप्रिशिएबल मतलब वो अप्रिशिएट करने के लायक नहीं था. क्यों? बिकॉज दे डिसरिस्पेक्टेड देयर टीचर. दे जस्ट वॉकड अवे फ्रॉम द क्लास. ओके, सोमू और मनी जो थे उनका जो भी एटीट्यूड था टुवर्ड्स देयर तमिल टीचर वॉज नॉट अप्रोप्रिएट एंड वॉज नॉट अप्रिशिएबल. दे डिसरिस्पेक्टेड देयर टीचर. उन्होंने अपने टीचर की डिसरिस्पेक्ट किया था, मतलब उन्होंने अपने टीचर का आदर नहीं किया था. कैसे? Because when the Tamil teacher was saying something to them, they just moved on. जैसे ही तमिल टीचर उनसे कुछ कह रहे थे, उनको रोक रहे थे, तो उन्होंने क्या किया? वो क्लास से बाहर चले गए थे. So that's why they disrespected their teacher. Student must respect their teachers and should mind their presence even in the critical situation. स्टूडेंट को हमेशा अपने टीचर को रिस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए, हमेशा अपने टीचर का आदर करना चाहिए. एंड शुड माइंड देयर प्रेजेंस इवन इन द क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन. चाहे कैसा भी सिचुएशन हो, चाहे कितना भी वर्स्ट सिचुएशन हो, कितना भी क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन हो, दे शुड रिस्पेक्ट their teacher and they should always mind their presence. Okay, they should not ignore the teacher. They must control their emotion in the presence of their teacher. Okay, they must control their emotion. ऐसे नहीं कि टीचर हैं and the students are fighting or they are quarreling with each other. Okay, so this is the answer of your B8 and B9. Students go through it, learn it, write it and post it in the group. Okay, in clear handwriting, in beautiful handwriting, keeping the importance of capital and small letter in a sentence. Okay, now that's all for today. Thank you.